Welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of how we can create a file by using the FS file system module. So at first we need to load the file system module. So this is the file system module object variable. So fs dot write file. So fs module write file is create file newly and first parameter is new file dot text and second parameter is content. Suppose content is learn node fs module and third parameter is callback function. If error, then throw error. Console.log file is created as you successfully. So fs module write file function, a new file is created with a specific file name. After writing the file completed, callback function is called with the error. If the error reading file, then throw the error. If the found the exist the new file dot text, then this file overwrite and newly create the file. So now we will run our project for show the example of write file, write or create file node. So here is showing file is created successfully. Now we will see the new file dot text is created or not. So here is the new file dot text created. Also the content learn node fs module. So we can write or create file successfully. Write file, first parameter is file name and second is file content and third is callback function. So our file is created successfully. New file.txt has new file.txt. Thank you.